just I came here just to meet her. Actually, she has a very hectic schedule. So I'm so thankful that I was able to catch up. So what can you say about it? Anything you can say, Jean?
I love LA.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your message to the people out there? We're live right now at Apple Channel.
Tama na.
Okay. I wish you good luck and have a safe trip.
Thank you.
And
Thanks for coming.
you're welcome. That's what all friends want.
Yeah.
So, okay. Good luck and God bless you always.
Thank you.
Have a good trip.